Alright, here we go. Here's our before picture of our NV 3500. We need a little rack to hold some of our stuff. We got it delivered from Pueblo Boxing. Came in a nice solid pallet, FedEx freight. We're ready to break it down and get started, so here we go. First, you start by installing the 4 brackets on each side of the roof. You do not do the second to last one on the back end of the NV. You skip that one. Lay out each piece, front, middle, and back. Keep the cardboard on them before installing so that it does not scratch your roof if you have to set it on. Start with the back, then middle, then front. They slide into each other on the tubes when you're on top of the car. Where the pieces connect, you wrap them with silicone tape. Finally, tighten all your bolts. It's easier to use channel lock for the initial mount to get a good grip.